Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Mucus protects certain areas of the body from drying out and can protect against bacteria and viruses. Excess mucus in the body can cause regular congestion, throat irritation, and more. Knowing which foods can cleanse mucus from the body can help you feel like your best self. What is mucus? Mucus is a protective substance that the mouth, sinuses, throat, lungs, stomach, and intestines excrete. Mucus can accumulate as a result of eating unhealthy or mucus-producing foods. You can combat excess mucus by eliminating certain foods or consuming more foods that get rid of mucus. The following foods can help cleanse mucus from your system. Garlic. Garlic helps to break up mucus buildup. Garlic exhibits properties that may fight infections in the respiratory glands. Since infected respiratory glands produce more mucus, eating more garlic may reduce the amount that you have in your body. Pineapple. In addition to improving digestive health, pineapple may help eliminate mucus from the body. Fresh pineapple juice works to break up mucus and expel it from the body. Ginger. Ginger is a natural decongestant and antihistamine. Plus, it's rich in antiviral and antibacterial properties, which can ease chest congestion by drying out excess mucus and promoting its removal. Ginger actually alerts the immune system that it is safe and mucus production is not necessary. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is rich in the active compound, which helps to naturally thin mucus. If you experience a runny nose after eating spicy foods like cayenne, it's because it has mucus-thinning properties. Implement these foods into your diet to help cleanse excess mucus from your body. You will be able to feel the difference. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.